Have you seen one of the many decrepit stations around the New York City subway system and thought, what if the MTA just shut down one of these stations for a while to give it a makeover? Don't worry, I've had that thought too, but here's the kicker. There was actually a time when the MTA had a program for that. One where a number of stations were shut down for about half a year to improve their look, feel, and function while also bringing them to a good state of repair. This program was named the Enhanced Station Initiative, and in this video, I'll break down the details about this program and give my opinions on whether or not the MTA should bring it back. Under the MTA's 2015 to 2019 capital plan, funds were provided for a new program named the Enhanced Station Initiative. This would see the temporary closure of multiple stations across New York City Transit, Metro North Railroad, and Long Island Railroad to completely overhaul them and install modern amenities such as Wi-Fi connectivity, informational displays, modern art, and new designs for some of the more miscellaneous objects such as the emergency gates, trash bins, and help points. These additions helped give new life to some of the existing stations, giving them a new design and giving the passengers who use those stations a better experience. The original plan proposed 54 stations to be included in the program, including 32 subway stations, 1 Staten Island Railway station, 5 Metro North stations, and 16 Long Island Railroad stations. In true MTA fashion, only 18 of the proposed 32 subway stations were actually renovated, and that was to an absolutely absurd cost of $850 million. After the renovations to the stations, part of the ESI project were completed between 2018 and 2020, the plan was suddenly abandoned, leaving many wondering if the MTA would ever return to the Enhanced Station Initiative. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem this way, as there's been little to no mention of the program since the 18 stations were completed. However, last year, in 2022, current NYC Transit President Richard Davey announced a new program for the New York City Subway to help boost rider satisfaction. This new program was named Station Re-NEW-Vations. Yeah, I know, corny. Now, just because this program isn't nearly as ambitious as the Enhanced Station Initiative doesn't mean you should overlook it. While it's missing some of the flashy additions ESI had, like new artwork, upgraded fare control areas, and new platforms, it does retain one of the main ESI features, bringing the stations to a good state of repair. With the project scope as a part of the new station renovations being smaller, the work can be done over a shorter amount of time. The MTA's goal with station renovations is to use existing weekend general orders, or service changes, to complete the necessary work needed at the stations. This means that instead of shutting down the station over the course of a few weekends just for station work, the MTA can use an existing shutdown, let's say for structural maintenance along that part of a line, and while trains aren't stopping at that station, get the work done for riders to return to that station the next Monday with an upgraded experience. With work taking a shorter amount of time at each station and the smaller project scope meaning less spending, this means that more stations can be renovated than what was possible with the Enhanced Station Initiative. While only 32 stations were renovated over the course of 2 years with that project, 50 stations can be renovated with this one. Now, this isn't the only thing that the Station Re-NEW-Vation project does better than the Enhanced Station Initiative. With this project, the MTA is focusing more on stations that are in a horrible state of good repair. Some of the older stations that may have broken tiles, leaking problems, and are especially dirty are the ones with the focus on them, while it seems like the ESI program picked random stations from around the system, most of which were in better condition than the stations chosen for the Re-NEW-Vation project. In my opinion, we should implement a hybrid of both the ESI and Re-NEW-Vation programs. Some stations should receive new tiling designs and artwork along with upgraded lighting and platform edge strips. Combine this with the quick work cycle of the Re-NEW-Vation program and we'd be in business. I also feel like work should be focused on some of the worst stations in the system, the most deteriorated, such as Bowery and Chambers Street on the J Line and Manhattan. What are your opinions on the Enhanced Station Initiative and the Re-NEW-Vation program? In the comment section below, tell me your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to get more from Mystic Transit, like, subscribe, and consider supporting me via channel memberships or super thanks. Special thanks to Stuart Guberman for supporting me at the 2 Broadway tier, and Damien's Transit and Health Bar videos for supporting me at the Train Operator tier.